5, 4,
Beware.
3, 2, 1.
Next slide. DPS forming well on the way.
That's recharge in. That spell is ready. I can't cast that yet. That's recharge in. Beware.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Take these two down.
That's recharge in. That's recharge in.
Regulator on the left side's down, just stay right side and get that regulator down as soon as possible.
2, 1.
Is there a bellows still up on the left though?
Yeah, there is, but we can pick it up afterwards.
It's doing much move now.
Now you gotta get him out of the.
5,
Beware.
This engineer down right side.
2, 1.
That's still recharge in.
No, I'm not gonna get it.
Beware.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, last it.
Odd. I mean, off it.
Sound like a raptor. Okay.
Cast that yet.
5,
Beware.
3, 2, 1.
Get that side off of me.
If you got an add-on, you're on the tanks.
Okay, quick other side.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Get that regulator down.
That's still recharge in.
Got 10 seconds, get that regulator down.
Quick, quick, quick. If you have a
There's
bomb,
no
have it
bomb.
now.
4,
Oh shit.
2, 1.
No, it's too late. One more bomb on the heat regulator and then hold off.
4,
Beware.
2, 1.
That's still recharge in.
So don't do it.
Okay, no more on the heat regulator.
5, 4,
You need a
Beware.
bit more
Alright,
clear from these
I'll
mobs.
hit the regulator now, whoever's got a bomb.
No, no, no.
That's still recharge.
Stand in that pile of bombs, guys.
Need one more bomb on it.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
There'll be one bellows on the other side of a tank if you pick that up.
Right, okay.
Make sure you're facing the right.
That's still recharge in.
5, 4,
Beware.
2, 1.
Get Foreman down and the bellows down.
Get it under control!
That's still recharge
We have it under control!
One down.
What happens? Standing bombs or something?
No,
Four.
just slow damage.
2, 1.
That's still recharge in. That's still cast that yet.
5,
That's still
4,
Let me
beware.
get him up, then
1.
maybe can it.
That's still recharge
May as well get Zen up because we're gonna need him.
He was in the corner, sorry. There we go.
5, 4,
in. Beware.
2, 1.
Alright, get that slag elemental down, it's on top of the primal elementalist.
5, 4,
Beware.
2,
Okay, I got the security guard to get the fuck off.
Everyone on the primal elementalist. Everyone on the DPS and the primal elementalist.
Five, 4, 3,
Beware. That's still recharge in.
If If you see a security guard, I don't know, just tell me and I'll pick it up.
5,
Beware.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job.
Five.
Now everyone on square.
4, 3, 2,
Beware.
1, 4, 3,
Keep an eye out for those fire
One.
calls.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
1.
Fire call right there.
4, 3,
Beware.
1.
Shields about to come down. Shields down.
5,
Everyone DPSing the
Four.
primal elementalist.
Beware.
Everyone on the
1.
elemental.
5, 4, 3,
Faster,
Beware.
guys.
1. 5, 4, 3,
Beware.
1. 5,
Get him down, everyone DPS him.
Beware.
Make sure you're interrupting fire calls.
5,
Shit's back on.
3,
Beware.
Get another one down.
1.
Another one's down.
5, 4,
If you see a security guard, I don't know, just tell me.
Alright, he's dead.
He's down.
Next,
Clean up some of the fire callers.
on to X.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
1. 5, 4, 3,
Beware.
my game froze.
1.
Who's that?
4,
So just Seth.
Beware.
1. Five,
Get him down.
4,
Everyone on the primal elementalist.
Beware.
1.
Run switch to it.
Make sure you're interrupting fire calls.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
1.
I'm back.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
1.
Come on, DPS everyone on that elementalist.
3,
Beware.
1. 5, 4, 3,
Beware.
1.
He's down.
Alright, get to the next one. Dot up the ads.
4, 3,
Beware.
1.
Heals on Eridar a little bit. Heals on Bloodstone.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
1.
Everyone on the elementalist.
5, 4, 3,
Everyone attacking the
Beware.
primal elementalist.
1. 5, 4, 3,
Beware.
1.
He has to die now, so if you want any cooldowns, just pop him.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
1.
Maybe you can pop Bloodlust for Zan.
5, 4, 3,
Wait, have we from Bloodlusted yet?
1.
Yeah, we have. Everyone move back down to the corner here.
Just slowly hit the security guards down.
4,
Beware.
I got the boss 2 on it.
3, 1.
Just dot stuff up. If you've got the melt, move right to the back of the room.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
1.
Selene to the back of the room.
He's on top of a shield.
4,
You have to move him a little bit.
Beware.
1.
Dead.
What happened there?
4,
Again, it's just slow dotting damage.
Beware.
1.
We need to tidy up our phase 1.
5, 4,
Beware.
1. Five, 4, 3,
I mean, what happened there in phase 3? Oh my god, I got TP'd back and I died again.
Yeah,
That's so
phase
close
1
to
was
being-
way too slow.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just need to speed up the other phases so that way heals have a better time.